Good evening, guys. This is going to be a video showing you a repair you can do if you have a cracked gear, a cracked plastic gear or a brass gear, whatever the case may be. So let me show you this first. Here's a piece of super glue that has baking soda mixed in with it, and it's hard as a brick. Very solid. So this gear, when I got it, has a crack. And what I did is put a little super glue and baking soda there to help with that. Yes, I know it's a mess, but I don't really care since it's plastic. So yeah, that's what you might want to call a bodge repair, but on this, I don't really care that much. So yeah, nice little tip for you. I hope that helps you. And credit goes to Mark Mutterland for telling me about this. Thank you very much, Mark. I'll mention you or give you a shout out. Catch you later. Bye bye.